I am Dave with LED Lighting Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing our 300 watt UFO High-Bay fixture. This is the heavy industrial 300 watt fixture that we sell a lot of. So it's black, it comes in only black, 100 to 277 volt we stock. We also stock the 277 to 480 volt version. It's 45,000 lumens. Typically we mount this between 30 to 40 feet. We go higher if we need to. We've done these all the way up to 80 feet depending on the application. Really, this is power plants, refineries, heavy industrial, manufacturing floors. The mounting is going to be with an eye hook on the back. We also do have a pendant as well that you can run the wires through the pendant that way. This is DLC eligible, so you can apply for rebates with this. It is IP65 rated, so you can wash it down. Temperature rating, -22 to 144, so if you need to if your temperatures are getting that high, you can use this. If they're going higher than that, we have an entire line of high temperature fixtures that we can also quote for you. So if you're interested in this fixture or anything else that we sell, you can reach out to us. One of our lighting specialists can get in touch and provide more information.